Today, we are making yakitori, a classic Japanese grilled chicken skewer, glazed with a delicious sweet and savory sauce. Let's make juicy yakitori chicken skewers right at home. First, soak the bamboo skewers in water for at least 30 minutes to prevent them from burning during cooking. Next, cut the spring onions into pieces approximately 3 cm long, then separate the white parts from the green parts. Cut the chicken into evenly sized, bite-sized cubes to ensure even cooking. Now let's prepare the yakitori sauce. In a bowl, combine the mirin, light soy sauce, sake, water, and brown sugar. Mix well until the sugar has completely dissolved. After 30 minutes, remove the bamboo skewers from the water. Now thread the chicken and spring onions onto the skewers, alternating between pieces of chicken and onion. Keep alternating the chicken and spring onions on the skewers until all the ingredients are assembled and ready for grilling. Now heat a pan over medium heat, pour in the yakitori sauce, add the green spring onion tops, and allow the mixture to simmer gently as the flavors develop. Once the sauce has absorbed the flavor of the spring onions, remove the green onion tops and remove the pan from the heat. Set the sauce aside for later. Now it's time to grill the yakitori. Lightly spray the grill with oil. Then arrange the chicken skewers on the grill. Cook over medium heat until the chicken is fully cooked and nicely charred on all sides. While grilling, brush the yakitori sauce onto the chicken skewers, allowing the glaze to build up and caramelize beautifully. Keep grilling, turning, and brushing the skewers with sauce, repeating the process until the chicken is tender, cooked through, and coated in a rich, glossy glaze. Look at those chicken skewers, beautifully glossy, perfectly caramelized, and smelling absolutely amazing. Our yakitori is done. Serve the skewers hot with a touch of chili flakes and fresh lemon on the side. The spicy kick and citrusy freshness pair perfectly with the sweet and savory glaze. Thank you for cooking along with us today. Do you like this recipe? Remember to like, share, and subscribe for more tasty dishes. Enjoy and happy cooking!